right, crew, so welcome back guys to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today guys, I over here at Wallace Auto Repair, I was been driving my panel truck and there's been my check engine light came on, and the check engine light codes came to, it was a 1171 and 1174, which means it is running too lean. So right now we're actually going to do a smoke test. I did all my checks and stuff to try to figure out what is going on, and the only thing that we could come to a conclusion that it's actually got a leak somewhere. So we're going to come over here this morning, hook up the smoke machine, and we're going to see if we can find that leak, guys. But hey, if I haven't told you guys yet, guys, I'm back with another video, guys, live and direct. Right now I'm here in Bristol, Virginia at my buddy's shop, Wallace Repair Shop here. As you guys see, Wallace Repair. If you guys need anything taking care of your vehicle, if you're in the Tennessee area or Virginia area, stop by and see old Jason in here take care of you. So like I said guys before, we're gonna go in here and see if we can find this leak. We just got over here. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. So hey, come on along with me for the ride this morning, guys, and let's see if we can figure out what's going on. All right, crew, so today we are actually trying to track down this leak, and we found one. We put air in it and we put smoke in it, and it's actually got a leak coming from right in the exhaust right there. You can see it a little bit. See if we can focus in, but you can see the smoke coming out pretty good. All right, so whenever you got a lean code, it's a P1171 and P1174. It's running too lean. So I actually had to cut the pipes here this morning. I'm over at Jason's shop, which is Wallace Auto Repair over here in Bristol. And so we're pushing smoke through the exhaust. So we found one leak on the passenger side, and we're about to see what we can do on the other side here. Oh yeah, you can see it now. The pinhole, can you see that? You gotta get at a good angle to see it coming out.
I see it. It ain't as heavy as it was a minute ago, but it will be.
Yeah.
I guess it takes a long time for that smoke to build up real thick in there. Yeah, there it comes.
Yep, there it goes. See that right there? Yep.
Yeah, there it is. I think I got it. Hard to get up in there. And it wound up raining out. Me and Jason them left before it started raining, and I went back the next day.
All right, so we actually sealed it up.
That one big leak in that weld is probably the most of it.
We got that big weld, as you guys can see right there. We welded that up on that bong, and we also put that red high heat temp silicone on the couplings. They didn't have none in there last time, so there's nothing coming out of there. There's nothing coming out right now, guys. So that's good. All right, I think we got this side, man. I'm happy. We got the master welded up itself, you know? Alright, so we got welded up. He put some nice welds on there. Ouch! Hit my head. Put some really good welds in there. Did good.
You walk out here, buddy.
Yeah, so basically, guys, like I said, I'm going ahead and take over Blue Ashe home. Been working on all morning, and I will be driving her a lot this week. So don't forget to check out my videos, guys, all my other videos. Also, don't forget to share and like my videos with other people, man. And if you really like these videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you guys like these type videos, I will continue putting more videos and more content out as far as DIY and you know, just me going around and, you know, fixing the problems that I have on my trucks and stuff. So hey, continue watching. Hope you guys are enjoying the series of the 55 truck build, man, of the shop truck. Hey, we're moving along on that, man, and I tell you what, it's this one here has been by far the most challenging build that I've done by myself. So, but it's fun. It's fun. So that's what we're about to do now. We're about to go home and work on the 55, guys. So hey, and like I tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, a truck, smoke them if you got it, baby. CJ is out. Hey, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.